Hello students, let's start fourth definition of a class. You are seeing here, we have declared some variables. We have taken marks, I, j variables. These variables are of integer type. We have taken three variables and these three variables are of integer type. And these three variables will contain numeric data. Marks, I, and j variable will contain numeric data. Data type of marks is int. Data type of I is int. Data type of j is int. So marks I, j are of same type, int. And what is int? Int is the class of marks I and j. What is int? Int is the class of marks I and j, and it is called a data type. It is called a data type. So int, float, char, double, we have heard about these data types. These all are built-in data types. So we call int as a data type. So here we have learned int is also called a class. It is a class of marks I and j. So this is another name for int. What? Int is a class also. So int is a class. So int class has been created by C++ developers. So in C++ or in an object-oriented language, we can create our own classes. User can create his own classes. So with what? With class function. With class concept, we can create new new defined data types that will be called as user defined data types. So in C++ with class, we can also create our own defined data types called user defined data types. So, so class is a also called user defined data type. So we have created another definition of a class. What is class? Class is a user defined data type. So here we end the session. So up to now we have learned four definition of class. In next session we will learn how to create a class. So now we end the session. Thank you and have a nice time.